Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to return Amazon items. So the first step is to simply go to your orders to display your recent orders. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply hover your mouse over account and lists and then simply go to orders here. And then what you're going to have to do is simply select the item that you want to return, then simply select an option from the reason for return menu and then simply choose how to process your return. So if applicable, select to issue a refund or replacement. For items sold from an Amazon seller, you'll see a submit a return request. The Amazon seller reviews return request before issuing a refund or replacement. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply select your preferred return method and then simply print your return label and return authorization and then simply add your return label and package your items for return, and basically that's all you have to do in order to return Amazon items. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.